Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can create a game pass in Roblox. So what you want to do is go to create.roblox.com. That's just create.roblox.com. Okay, and you can either do this through the studio or on the website, but I'll click on creations and then I'll click on to this creation right here. And then you want to scroll down on the left hand side until you get passes. Click on passes and you want to go down and click on create a pass. Okay, I'll just name this test game pass. Okay, and I'll just keep the description test game pass. Okay, and then you just simply click on create pass. Now what you want to do, if you want to sell this, you can see it's off sale. So you click on it, go to the left hand and click on sales, and you want to toggle on item for sale, and you can just make this your amount of Robux, and then click on save changes and proceed. So now you can see that it's updated successfully, and this test game pass is sold for 50 Robux. So if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.